Today we're going to make a lava lamp. First you're going to start by adding baking soda to your glass. And with it at the bottom of the glass like so, you are going to carefully add some vegetable oil.
Make sure to pour this slowly down the side of the glass so it doesn't mix in with the baking soda.
So now that you have this mix, we're going to set it aside and we're going to take some vinegar and some food coloring, whatever color you'd like. You want to pour that in there?
Yeah.
Now we're going to set our lava lamp onto our light.
Then we're going to add the food coloring and vinegar to the glass.
Then you can turn the light on.
That's great. It's kind of like my real lava lamp, but with a lot more bubbles.
Maybe we can turn off the lights and see it. Woo! Just keeps going and going.
Since oil is less dense or lighter than vinegar, it'll float on top, creating two distinctive layers. 1, the oil. 2, the vinegar with food coloring. When vinegar and baking soda mix, they produce carbon dioxide gas. This gas travels up, attaching small blobs of colored vinegar until it reaches the top, where it pops and escapes into the air. Without the gas, these small blobs become heavy again and sink back down to the bottom.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.